we're going to go plane spotting. Just waiting for the planes. I'm not sure what this plane is, but it's really hard to capture the details for this video. I think, wait, if you just let me. Oh, it's a transport aircraft. It belongs to the Philippine Air Force. Nice. Just waiting for other planes. Nice one with that. You know me, I love planes. I'm gonna be a pilot someday, like Cebu Pacific, Air Swift, or you know, that's something. Just wait for plane. Okay, don't miss this plane. Okay. Just to get the angle of the plane is so hard. Wow. Qantas 777. Wow. Yeah, baby. Got the Qantas. Yeah. That was nice. That's what we call Qantas. Qantas 777. Qantas Airways. Okay. Alright, back to filming airplanes. We're just waiting for airplanes, yeah? But despite this, it is a good weather. We're here in my house. There's a boy right here. Just waiting for planes. And we are here in Royal Palm, Taguig City, Manila. We're like about 30 minutes away from the airport, so we're just a little bit near. I don't know, it was that. I think that's a helipad or something, or just a exhaust thing. Alright, I can hear the planes. Let's film it. Okay. Where's the plane? Here you go. There you go. Cebu Pacific. Yo, that looks nice. Despite this, I would like rather to go plane spotting the whole day. That is so epic. I don't know what's wrong with that one. Is that like, cause we're on the roof, I'm sitting on a chair. I'm with my brother and the maid. So just going to get the pillows because we're here in the laundry thing. But we're in the rooftop. I don't know what's that. I think it's an exhaust, or if it's not an exhaust, it would be a helipad because it looks like a helipad. Okay, so here waiting some planes. Maybe that's a helipad. I'll show my brother what it looks like so that he'll believe. It looks like a freaking helipad. Okay, the planes. Another Cebu Pacific. It's an A321. Okay, wait for more planes. Quick view of the building. Okay, there's a penthouse. That's a helipad. Wait. That is a helipad. Because it has a wire or something. Okay, back to film. I can hear another airplane. What airline is it? It's really hard to focus. Cebu Pacific. Okay, wait for another plane. What a beautiful plane! Okay, this is the last plane. It's another Cebu Pacific. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.